Hi, so this is a quick demo on how you can import your Figma templates in Orshot. So when you go to the dashboard in Orshot, you will see this icon here which says import from Figma. And when you click on it, you will see the documentation for the process, like how you can import it, and the link to the Orshot's Figma plugin, and import JSON option, which is what is needed for importing the Figma designs. So I will show you the process. First, you will need to install the Figma plugin from the Figma's like plugin page, and you can just click on here and just add it to whichever document or files you want to import your template from. Once you have added this, all you need to do is go to that document, and for example, I want to import like this template in Orshot, and I've already installed the plugin in this file. So what I will do is I will click on this. First I will select the group, which is this one. It has like multiple layers, images, text, and everything. All of these are like different layers. So I'll select this group, then I will click on this plugins or actions bar, and you will see an Orshot plugin here. So you just click on it and it will open this window, which will give you a JSON structure for the design that you have selected. And all you need to do is just copy JSON, and this can be a big file, so just copy the JSON, close it, and then we will go back to the Orshot dashboard, and we will click on this button, and then we will click on import JSON. We'll just paste the JSON that we copied, and if there are any fonts that are missing, then it will tell you that this font is missing, and then you can upload that font in Orshot later on. And it also detects the name of the design and everything. So you just click on import template, and what it does is it basically imports all images from the template and everything. And here you go. So this is the image, and it has imported from Figma design and everything, like the fonts, everything is there. So yeah, this is how it works, and then you can save the template, and then now this template is parameterized. So basically you can use you see all the layers are there, and you can tweak it however you want, and then use the API to generate images, PDFs, and videos from this template. So for example, I can say that introducing video and PDF generation API, and then I can click on this, and it will change the image here. And similarly, you can generate PDFs, videos, GIFs, etc. So yeah, that's how the import from Figma works in Orshot. Thank you.